Hi, I'm Kitty, and welcome to my MZed film course where I'm going to show you how to start your YouTube channel from the very beginning. You're going to get every detail, from picking your topics, to setting up your account, content ideas, gear recommendations, and all the benefits that come from your new YouTube journey. I have a natural skill for filmmaking and bring a fresh perspective to this industry. I've used my skills for not only making YouTubes, but also content for top branded companies. I've leveraged both my filmmaking and my work experience background to create my channel under a toll of visuals. My channel started as a creative outlet which has grown over the past 5 years. My audience finds tips and entertainment with a collection of ways I stay creative, camera gear reviews, behind the scenes, and vlogs about my events and my life. Now it's your turn to leverage your skills and share it with the world and inspire others along the way. I really wish I had a course like this when I first started, but I kind of just had to figure it out, experimenting and watching YouTube tutorials one after the other. But here I have everything laid out and easy to understand. I can't wait to see your YouTube channel, so let's begin. I'll see you on the first course.